Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about a fascinating topic, a miracle plant that can restore your vision naturally. This plant has been used for centuries for its incredible health benefits, and recent studies have shown that it has remarkable effects on vision. The plant we're talking about is called Eyebright, and it's been used as a natural remedy for centuries to treat various eye problems. Eyebright is an herb that grows in Europe, North America, and Asia, and it's been traditionally used to treat conditions such as conjunctivitis, dry eyes, and cataracts. But what's really exciting about Eyebright is its ability to restore vision naturally. The herb contains compounds that help to strengthen the blood vessels in the eyes, which can help to improve circulation and reduce inflammation. This can lead to a clearer, sharper vision over time. One of the key compounds in Eyebright is called aucubin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is one of the leading causes of vision problems, so reducing inflammation in the eyes can help to improve overall vision. Eyebright is also rich in antioxidants, which can help to protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are molecules that can cause cell damage and contribute to the development of conditions such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Examples. There are many different ways to use Eyebright to restore your vision naturally. One popular method is to make a tea from the dried herb. Simply steep a teaspoon of dried Eyebright in a cup of hot water for 10 minutes, strain, and drink. Another way to use Eyebright is to make an eye wash. Simply mix a teaspoon of dried Eyebright with a cup of boiling water, let it cool, and use it to rinse your eyes. This can help to reduce inflammation and irritation, and promote clearer vision. Here are the plants and procedure on how to make it. Today we will prepare a wonderful vitamin remedy for vision. You will need a large bunch of parsley. Sprinkle with soda, pour water and let stand for 10 minutes. One carrot. Peel and cut up into pieces. Carrots contain vitamins and trace elements, which are good for eyesight. They help reduce the risk of developing certain eye conditions. Rinse the parsley thoroughly with clean water. Parsley is rich in carotenoids that protect the eyes and promote healthy vision. Parsley may prevent age-related macular degeneration, a major cause of blindness. Cut up parsley stalks. One lemon. Lemons are rich in ascorbic acid and antioxidants. Such a tandem is an effective protection against the deterioration of vision and the appearance of eye diseases, such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Blend everything in a blender. Put in a glass jar. The mixture can be stored covered in the fridge. 50 ml natural honey. This mixture has a positive effect on vision. It also strengthens the entire body. Take 1 teaspoon 1 hour before meals. Eyebright is a powerful herb that can help to restore your vision naturally. Whether you're dealing with cataracts, dry eyes, or just want to improve your overall vision, Eyebright can be a great natural remedy to try. So, give it a try and see the amazing benefits for yourself. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more great content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know if you've ever tried Eyebright and what your experience was like. We'll see you in the next video.